Let's convert these hexadecimal numbers to binaries. Again, we're supposed to convert every single digit of hexadecimal number to 4-bit binary number. So I have D, C, 1. D is 13. Binary 13 is 1101. C is 12. Binary 12 is 1100. 1, binary 1 is 0001. So your answer is 1101, 1100, 0001. Base 2. This is the solution to this problem. We have FB4. We have to convert this number to binary. Again, we're supposed to do the same procedure. We have FB4. F is 15. That's why you are going to write 1111. This is binary 15. B is 11. Binary 11 is 1011. And 4 is 0100. Your answer is 1111, 1011, 0100, base 2. This is the solution to this problem. I mean, the hexadecimal number FB4 is equal to this binary number. Next, we're supposed to convert CBA to binaries. I have C, B, A. If you want to find the binary number, you're supposed to convert every single digit to 4 bits of the binary number. C represents 12. I have 1100. B is 11, 1011. A is 10, 1010. Final answer is 1100, 1010. This is base 2. So this is the solution to this problem.